Hi guys, welcome to eCraft Box. Zen Garden is a miniature landscape comprising of sand, rock, bush, gravel, etc. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. And if you like the video, please do like and share. So the materials required are white glue, wooden box, sand, some stones, artificial or real succulent, a big paintbrush, and green scrub, utensil scrub. First, let's see how to make this mossed rock. For this, we are taking some rock. I have picked it up from my garden, and then this green scrub pad, utensil scrub, which I have cut into small pieces. And now spread the white glue randomly on the rock. Instead of green scrub, you may also use the sponge and color it green. That will also work. Sprinkle the green stuff, and there you go. It looks really cool and pretty. Now let's proceed to design our Zen garden. First, spread the sand all over the wooden box. Place the artificial or real succulent in one corner and decorate the other corner using the rocks. Place it randomly. This is called a rake, which we use to level and make patterns in our Zen garden. We make this swirling patterns or level off using this rake. Find the tutorial to make this rake in the description box below. Dust off the sand using the paintbrush. Every day, keep your mind calm by changing the landscape and recreating the Zen garden. Small stones, miniature statues or structures. There are unlimited designs you can make using this little tabletop Zen garden. Experiment with the setting. Keep on changing the look. Add a new look every day. See you next week. Bye.